Hi everyone, this is Avinash from Sardar Patel College of Engineering. Are you guys also worried about finding your dream college? Then here you are at the right platform, because here at CAP Guide we provide you with the right information from the students of that college which will help you make your choice easier. Talking about Sardar Patel College of Engineering, our college is a government-aided autonomous institute. We also have NAC accreditation as well as NBA accreditation. Our college is located in Andheri West at a distance of less than 1 kilometer from Azad Nagar metro station and distance of 1 kilometer from Andheri West local station. Now, our college offers 15 courses in engineering, which includes bachelor's, master's, and PhD. Our overall infrastructure of our college is really good. We have a beautiful lake within the campus, and we also share our campus with three other major colleges of Mumbai. We have around 4 canteens available. We have around fully air-conditioned seminar hall, a sabhagrah for all the major events. We also have ATM facilities, playground, and gym khana facility, and separate hostel for boys and girls within the campus. Talking about teaching, all the teachers are highly qualified with PhDs, masters from reputed colleges of India. We have smart boards in each class, which will help you make your learning easier and better. Now we have fully equipped laboratories, fully air conditioned computer labs, math labs, and a library which is fully functional, and all the required books are available there. We also have a reading room which is available 24/7. Now we also have a free Wi-Fi availability in our college as well as our hostel. Talking about clubs, we have Speakers Club in our college, and which will help you build your communication skills and public speaking skills. We also have other groups such as Spandhan, Splash, Spice, and Pixel Vision. Then comes our startup cell, SPC Racing, SPC Robocon, Wave, and these are very much required for the overall development of a student, and we have all these in our college. Talking about our fests, Prarambh is organized for the first years, which is the freshers basically. Then comes our annual debate, then comes our cultural fest, Space, then comes Spectra, our technical fest, and sports fest, SPC Cup, Spirit, which is also a sports fest, and we see participation from all major colleges of Mumbai as well as outside Mumbai. We have a student council taking care of all these activities. In addition to this, we have committees from each branch which organize tours, treks for students. Now talking about the major part, placements, right? You will be also looking here for that. Okay, so placement, many big companies visit our college like Infosys, L&T, Siemens, Blue Star, and many more. Thank you.